Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 265 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is simply about noticing your breath and allowing yourself a moment of calm. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body settle. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just be here with your breath. Now, say to yourself, I am here. This moment is enough. And I allow myself to rest. Keep breathing gently, letting each breath soften your mind and body. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.